In this video, I'm going to do the behind the scenes of my most good video, my finger dirt bike video. I made these jumps with dirt, and I'm going to make another one. Right here. So, start off by stealing a rock. Yes. This is a very important part. My container I use to dump water on the stuff. I need to go get a rock first of all. Rock is important part. Keep it a rock. There's some rocks over here. Grab this rock. Have a rock. Let's go. There's a person from that company coming, so I'm just gonna come into my gear. But whoever said hell yeah on that video that I made, it got 174 views, and I'm only a kid, so that's really great. And so now all we do is place the rock where we want it, like right there. You know, put it right there. Yeah, that's where the rock is. Pull this out. So you fill up this dirty container. Some water. That. Just carry it. Clean that up later. Just carry the water back outside and spill a few drops on the way. And then come over here. And if anyone saw my parasite video, because it's a long video, not a short, great. Very creepy. My pool has parasite in it, so yes. But there's a tarp over it, and we're gonna clean it out. I showed my dad the video. I'm going to put the rock like this, because I feel like that'll be better. And now we go find my shovel. Shovel. Where the hell is my shovel? Shovel. Where the hell is my shovel? I'm gonna chuck it over here. I chucked it somewhere. Like over here. I chuck it down here. Over here now. Down here. Parasite from my pool. Still in there. Oh, it smells like. Crab. Yeah. Down here. Just get my life. Check for parasites in here. Doesn't look like there's any, but could be. Now we really need to find that shovel. I just threw it after I made when I was making my other dirt bike jumps. So I might cut this. If I find it in a very steep place, I won't cut it. So that means I won't cut it, because I will find a very steep place. Let's find it. So, video's longer than most of the videos. Because it's basically just finding a shovel. And yes. Where the hell did I put that shovel? Haha, my dad drained out the parasite. So I'm gonna parasite in my pool. Can I shovel in here? No, not in here. Yes! Found the shovel in a very stupid place. So now we find the water. I didn't even pour. Okay, it's right here. So now that we have the shovel, chuck the shovel down there. Go right here and dump the water in a spot. Like, how about right here? Now that spot will get very wet. The ground will get wet. That means prime time for digging up mud, putting it to the side. That means prime time, literally just digging up mud. I feel like an excavator doing this. I think we need to pour water in the hole. Yeah. More water. Okay. We have our water poured in the thing. Oh, my feet. I'm just telling me to use the hose. So I'll use the hose from now on. Dumpity dump. Now that we have dumped the water inside of there, you get really easily grossed out by like mud. Then don't watch the rest of this video. It's literally just mud. Okay, so now we slap the mud onto the rock. Now get on the rock. It's a very good time use of my summer, just really slapping mud on a rock and calling that good. All I'm doing. Okay, so now we got nothing down, but now we need more dirt than just that. So scoop up some Big Daddy dirt. Can you guys see that? Sorry, I'm in the sun. Yes, you guys can probably see that. That's doo-doo, baby. That dirt? No, that's doo-doo, baby. Get off of the shovel. Here. Now that we got that, I smoothed it out. Try to make it the most best for the jump part. And smooth it out. Then that happens. Go over here and I just grab some more mud. And then I chuck it on the rock. And now the rock has mud. There's like things that's like, there's a rock and it has mud. This is a rock. I was like, Jane, cut me up like that. Now that we have this mud vest, we make the landing of the jump. Which is basically just the same thing, but it's the landing. Better. Oh, get out of there. Okay, now go back to our water hole, or mud hole now. Scoop up some more mud. And just get the landing, try to get the landing made good. Made good, like the brand. No one understands that. No one did. But yeah, after this, watch all the incident. Very incidenty incident happened. It's a full video again because I forgot how to make shorts. The last dirt bike video that went viral. It won't let me make shorts anymore because I have an iPad, and I don't know why, but it literally just won't let me make shorts. It says I need like a phone. No, I don't need a phone. I just need to make the shorts. Okay, we need a bit more water, so we can go to the hose here. Turn the hose on. And grab our cup. Put it on for the Preston Jet roulette things. Put it on, not mist, the worst, so good. Yes. Now that we have this much mud, or water, we go up and we dump it in the hole. Look at my shovels. Still smells like crap because of the pool. Now that we have that, dig up some of the fresh mud, fresh muck from the underworld. And we slap it on the side of this thing. And it's amazing. There's an ant. Probably can't see it. This. Smooth it up. And now that smooth back up, we'll grab some more mud from our mud hole. Fast shit. Oh, puddle. I was gonna say, that's literally what it is, doodoo baby. Oh yeah. So we got this. Oh, sorry guys, you couldn't see it. But now I can actually say guys, even though I've been saying guys in all my videos. Because 115 people have seen my cringe videos. Now I just go like this, and I put it on like side of my thing. And you want it to sound like a rock if you're making one. Following my instructions. If you are, you're a good man. Well, you're a star man. But you're a star man. And there you have it. Your dirt jump. And I'll wait for it to dry. And I'll make a new video riding it. So, yeah.